For today's dinner, we're going to use shrimp fried rice, 4 eggs, onion, and 1 pepper, and rice made ahead of time. The eggs are all done. Now I'm going to fry the vegetables, add the shrimps, then add the rice, and then we plate for dinner. Very easy, quick dinner. The oil has been added to the wok. Wait until it gets the right temperature to fry the onions and peppers, then the shrimp, then the rice. The onion and peppers are in. For the shrimps here, we're only going to add seasoned salt and a little bit of soy sauce. The shrimps are in. Shrimps are cooked. Now we're going to add the rice. Time to add the soy sauce. Fried rice is done. Put the eggs on the top for the last garnish. Then now we plate and eat for dinner.